Hey everybody, Mr. Bone here, and I have just a little bit of an update on Classroom for especially the remote learners. So those of you who don't come in either as a Hemlock or a Husky, and you're doing your learning from home, just wanted to let you know. So here's an example of my first hour classroom. So even if you're not in first hour, just pay attention along here. Remember that in Classroom, you're not using the stream at all. So you see the cursor on the stream here. You go over to classwork. So if you're wondering why you're not seeing any work showing up, it's because it's over here in classwork. The other thing I want you to remember is to use your topics links. And for remote learners, I'm putting things in under this topic called remote learners. And if you click on that, it takes you to the remote learner tab. Otherwise, under all topics, you can see it there for now. But as we get more and more things on the Classroom, this remote learner thing will get lost somewhere along the way. So all you have to do is click on it where it says remote learners, and it takes you to that tab. I have a little bit of a video in here about your memory map. So those of you who are staying home and remote learning, you need to complete a memory map. Just a piece of regular printer paper will work. In the video, I should give you some hints on how to get started and everything. I will be adding the label list here shortly, so you can get that on your map. And once you get it done, if you would take a picture of it and send it back in, I'll have a spot for you to send it back in here under Remote Learner, and that will be your memory map. You'll be all set. The other things I think you're able to do as you're going along, and remember I had suggested that you choose either a Team Hemlock or a Team Husky day to follow along under the weekly assignments, and then just do those assignments for that group. You don't need to do both Hemlock and Husky every day because they rotate back and forth. So pick a team, stay on that team, and then when it says both, that's your team as well. And then is there anything like this with a memory map that I think you need specific directions? I will try to put those underneath this tab that says Remote Learners. This is for 6th and 7th grade. This will work for both of you guys. This is in both of your classrooms. So just to let you know, this is where you can find some things for those of you who are remote learning. I'm going to be sending this out not only to you guys in classroom, but I'm also going to try to send it out to all your parents as well, so they also know what's happening. So I will see you guys later.